Plains Institute, and I'm standing here inside an ephemeral wetland. This wetland I'm standing in is really big, but other ephemeral wetlands are much smaller. The important thing about these kinds of wetlands is that they don't hold water year-round, and that means they can't support fish populations or large populations of invertebrate predators. The lack of predators is really important to a special group of amphibians that depend on these kinds of wetlands, these ephemeral wetlands, in order to breed. I'm going to use this dip net to sweep through the water and catch tadpoles and hopefully some salamander larvae too. There are so many interesting animals that live in ephemeral wetlands. This is a barking tree frog tadpole. I know this because it has a deep tail fin, a black spot on its tail muscle, and if you look at the top of its head, it has really striking mottled pattern. Barking tree frogs migrate from the uplands to ephemeral wetlands in the spring and summer. They are ephemeral pond obligates, which means that they can only breed in ephemeral wetlands. This species here is a southern cricket frog. Cricket frogs are habitat generalists. They do not have to breed in ephemeral ponds. They can breed in many different kinds of water bodies, but we often find them here in our ephemeral wetlands. I know it's a cricket frog because of this black-tipped tail. I have a gopher frog tadpole here too. They are ephemeral pond obligates like the barking tree frog. See the eyes on top of its head, the yellow-green color pattern, and the clear see-through nose? That's how I know it's a gopher frog. When we are documenting what species we have in a wetland, we always keep the predators in a separate bucket. Dragonfly larvae are ferocious predators. They will eat just about anything. I think they kind of look like aliens. We also see crawfish in ephemeral wetlands too. At Coastal Plains Institute, we spend a lot of time in these kinds of wetlands. We conduct research projects to learn more about the amphibians, and we also like to share the magic of these wetlands with you, the citizens of our community, through field trips and fun citizen science project called an Adopt an Ephemeral Wetland. This program is a way for us to train people how to identify amphibians, how to sample properly so they're not hurting them, how not to spread disease, and how to record data. You share that data with us so we can keep track of how healthy the amphibian populations are. So if you're interested, we invite you to attend a dip netting day. These are monthly events we hold at wetlands in the Apalachicola National Forest where we train you to participate in the program, but it's also for people that are just interested in coming out to have fun learning about amphibians and wetlands. So if you're interested, please check out our website's event page, and we hope to see you at a wetland soon.